We do have a plan when we try to make these videos. We always come up with an itinerary of places that we want to visit, places we want to film, but more often than not we run out of time and end up having to cut things out. So this time the plan was to go from Tyndrum up to Oban, but through Rannoch Moor, Glencoe and down the coast road. By the time we got to Tyndrum it was already early afternoon, and we'd certainly run out of time to be able to do all of those different locations. So we have got some drone footage from a previous visit. We'll show you some of that now and then get back to the actual trip. Decided to make a quick stop off at Kilchurn Castle. Going to completely cock up our itinerary, but this place is too good to miss.
We've already cocked it up anyway, so...
It is true. I was hoping to walk over the bridge, but I'm guessing that's a railway bridge of some description. Come on, let's have a quiz.
It's
Lochs of Scotland. What loch is this?
This is not Loch Ness.
Yep, and it's not Loch Lomond. I think it's Loch Awe. What did you think of Kilchurn Castle? Derelict?
Very derelict.
Derelict, babe.
No, it was nice. Cute.
Very pretty.
Just a shame about all the scaffolding, but then they're doing it because they're trying to preserve it, so it is good in a way.
They're doing it to cover their asses,
Well, yeah.
so that rocks don't fall down on people. Rushing around from place to place.
Stephen's getting the drone up. He's left me in charge of the mini cam.
Literally, welcome to our YouTube channel, where you get to see the back of my wife walking in front of me. Nice old building there, the Columba Hoel. I just push her in. Why not?
Whoa! Crabby, gonna get ya.
That West Coast Motors Mull Iona Stafford Tours there used to be a WH Smith's. And my mother went in there and stole a flask. Thieving woman. Mother, you're a thief. So if you like seafood, what you need to do is come on round to the left hand side of the bay as you're facing out towards the sea, and there's a seafood shack tucked around the corner. They do the most amazing mussels in white wine and garlic. So if that's your thing, get round there and treat yourself. There's these boats that bring in all the fresh seafood regularly throughout the day. So honestly, try the seafood in Oban. I'm guessing the shack's probably closed now, disappointingly, or I might have had a cheeky something to eat.
What size is that?
Oh, there's another sea pigeon sitting on top of that.
Huge.
This is the place that you want to come to if you want fresh seafood. Absolutely fantastic. Looks like they're just closing up for the day. Oh, gutted, it's cash only. I haven't got any cash on me. Very long shadow though.
Huh?
You've got a very long shadow. So we've come to, how do you pronounce this? Quan Moor? Ah, no idea, I'm going to stop saying it. Come here for a bite to eat while we're waiting for the sun to set over the bay. It's just beautiful here, really, really lovely. And this place looks good as well. I like the rocks on the wall. Got some slate on the wall over there. Place gone for burgers because Wednesday night is any burger for 13 quid. Happy days. Getting some funny looks talking to the camera on my own. That is more than enough for one day. More than enough for one day. Tired. Want to go home. Want to go to bed. Small matter of a 3-hour drive.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.